Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover modules with WordPress, complete guide step by step clearly. If you suspect that a module in your WordPress site is missing or has been corrupted, follow these steps to recover it. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of all installed plugins. Identify the module you want to recover. If the module is deactivated, click the Activate button. If the module is missing entirely, you will need to reinstall it. Go to that Add New option under the Plugins menu. In the search bar, type the name of the module you wish to recover. Once you find the module, click the Install Now button. After installation, click the Activate button to enable the module. If the module was not found, visit the official website of the module developer. Download the latest version of the module as a .zip file. Return to your WordPress dashboard and navigate back to the Plugins section. Click on the Add New option and then select Upload Plugin. Choose the .zip file you just downloaded and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click the Activate button. Ensure that all module settings are reconfigured if necessary. Check your website to confirm that the module is functioning properly. If issues persist, consult the module's documentation for troubleshooting steps. For further assistance, consider reaching out to the module's support forums or customer service. Finally, regularly back up your website to prevent future recovery issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.